70 Chevelle. It's painted in a Cobalt Blue. It's got Cortez Silver stripes on it that have been clear coated and painted right over. Gorgeous car, four-wheel disc brake. .454 with an automatic transmission. I'm just going to shut it off here. SS gauge package, bucket seats, center console. Paint is real nice. Not perfect, and it's not show quality, but it's really nice. Here's the Ford. Back in the 70 Chevelle, taking it on the expressway, freeway. Speedometer currently not working, and the temp gauge is not working, and the horn's not working. Everything else does. So I'm headed to the shop right now to get that all fixed. Drives real smooth. I'm doing about 70 miles an hour right now, maybe 65. Yep, the flapper door on the hood does work. It's a four-wheel disc brake car, 454 with an automatic. Any questions, text me, call me, 847-848-1850. Financing available through lightstream.com. 15-minute approval with no money down. Hear from you guys and gals soon. Thanks.